I'm going to show you how to assign a job to supplier. So once you have a project created and jobs created within the project, then you go to jobs and you have a list of jobs to be assigned to your suppliers. In order to assign such a job, you need to click Manage next to the job which you'd like to assign and click on those three dots for the step which you would like to assign. Once you do this, the list of suppliers will appear and you will have an option to select one of them. The suppliers are listed by name. There is also a price for the unit listed. There is also an access to calendar. There is also rating. You can also see if the supplier matches the languages of the job, domain, client. That means if the supplier has been working for this client recently, and if the supplier has a login. That means that the supplier can log in and start translating immediately. If not, then you can create one for the supplier. Here you can estimate time and cost of selecting this supplier, and here you can just click and select the supplier for the job. So I will select a supplier, and each supplier is a company. Within each company you can have workers. For freelance suppliers, usually it's just one worker inside the company, supplier company. But for agencies, you can also have more workers. Then it is necessary to select a worker of that company to take this job. Once it is done, you can just select if you'd like to notify your supplier about assignment. And once you click Save Changes, the email with the notification will be sent, and the supplier will be able to log in and accept the job. And let's click Save Changes. Let's close the window, and here you have supplier assigned to that job. And that's it.